And I learned to love also live price, share price, because I saw na this is a way of unifying everybody in the parish because it is of the parish, by the parish, and for the parish. Pagdating ko sa Ilocos Norte, ang naging instruction ni Bishop Rene Mayumba ay mag-focus muna, magkaroon ng parang pilot area sa Ilocos Norte, which is Banna, dahil very supportive naman yung parish priest. And so, we started with that. Ayos naman ang pagtanggap nila at nakita naman nila yung kahalagahan din talaga nito. Hindi lang yung mga spiritual na bagay ang kinakailangang pinagtutuunan ng pansin, kundi holistic formation na. When we talk of holistic formation, then we also tackle yung ibang aspects of life. So, nagawa yung mga seminar, yung Live Pure Forum sa 5 high school sa Bana. And then, nag-conduct na ng 2 Life in Christ seminar dun sa sentro, sa parokya mismo. Dun sa mga nag-attend kasi ng Live Pure, and then later on, yung Life in Christ seminar for the youth, meron dun ng mga aglipayan. At nung Easter Sunday, no, I'm very happy na nagpabinyag na sila as Catholic. No? Yung mga iba namang mga kabataan na ngayon mga professionals na, willing din silang tumulong. And as I have said, I learned to love LCSC. And I am more committed than ever na ipagpatuloy kung ano man yung naumpisahan ko. At I know that yung magiging fruitful din yung ministries ko sa Bana because of this LCS. Because the seed has been planted, it will soon grow and glow.